Welcome to my channel. I'm Namrita. Today we start now worksheet 9. Subject English for class 7th year. Write your name and write your class teacher name. This worksheet is topic 3 questions chapter 1 and the chapter name is 3 questions. Write your answer here and written by Leo Tolstoy. And characters, and we get some fill in the blanks and let characters. Okay, a story unfold. A story unfolds. Complete the summary of the story using the hints given in the clouds. Once there was a king who believed that he would not fail if he knew that was the dash who were the dash to be with and was the to and he proclaimed that he would give a dash to the person who can answer his 3 questions. And let's go this paragraph. Fill in the blanks answers. And this answer is first answer, and second and third, and that is fourth. This is answers. Let's go. Many people came and all the answers given by them were: the king was not all dash he wanted to a wise hermit singing answer. The hermit was dash the ground when the king reached there. And let's go this fill in the blanks answered. Their hints here: satisfied, different, and dinging. Let's go this answer. First fill in the blanks here. This fill in the blanks answer, satisfied. The king was not at all different. Went to a dinging. That is a dinging. Okay, let's go this questions. Okay, here examples. The king repeated the question to the living. Before leaving to this, the hermit said that the king was already found his answer through his dash. He said that there is only one time that is important now. The most important person is the one whom he is currently with, and the most important thing to do thing to do is to that person. And this answer is: the king repeated to the questions hermit. Okay, hermit, and to the hermit said that before the king was already his answer his. To this hermit said that the king was already found answer through his G's. And now the most person is the one whom currently with, and the most important thing to do doing goods. First answer is hermit. second, deeds, and third, doing good. Okay, and let's go here. The hermit greeted the king that continued digging. The king repeated his questions that the digging not answered. The king helped the hermit in a dash. Then then they saw a stranger who was badly wounded running towards them. The king nursed him and his wounds. Later, the man told that he was the king enemies and wanted to kill him. As the king saved his life, he wanted to become his. That is hints. Let's go this answer. The hermit greeted. The hermit greeted. Continued. The king repeated his questions, but the hermit did not answer. The king is dinging. Okay, dinging. The king. The king. This is dinging. Then saw strangers who was wounded and this is bandaged. So क्या है bandaged and as king his life. This answer is servant. Okay, सर्वेंट एंड हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो हमने कर लिए. करेक्टर्स वाला रह रहा है तो चलिए इसको भी फिल कर ही लेते हैं. See this question answer. The king, the hermit, the wounded man, and we have also complete this worksheet. And if you like this video, and please share this channel. Bye.